Hey you guys, good morning and Happy New Year! Welcome to 2019. So this morning was crazy because when I woke up this morning, my eyes were still closed. I had a great night last night with some friends, and I woke up with this thought that was like a thunder lightning bolt in my brain. I swear it wasn't me thinking it, it was just there, this thought like, hey, what are you gonna do today? It's 2019. Why don't you do something crazy and fun and exciting and new? Why don't you make a shot glass out of an old doTERRA bottle? So I know for me, I'm absolutely in love with these oils, you guys. I use them every single day, multiple times a day for health, wellness, feeling good, emotional, just everything. I absolutely love these oils. And I know if you're like me and you use the oils every day, you have massive amounts of these bottles just hanging out everywhere in your house. And a lot of times people use them they'll soak them in Epsom salt when the bottle is empty, and that Epsom salt will absorb all of those oils so that you can use that Epsom salt in a foot soak or in your bathtub and still regain all of that lovely oil from the empty bottle. So I do that. I soak my essential oils in Epsom salt, and I will show you a picture of that, and it's fabulous. But I still have these empty bottles, and what are you gonna do with them, right? So I had this thought, why not make a shot glass? And it turned out fabulous. I love it. I don't know how many more of these I'm gonna make because it was crazy hard. So this is definitely not a project for the faint of heart, but I totally suggest you do it because it's fun and it's new and it's something completely different. So check it out. I'm going to show you right now how I did this. Be prepared. This is your disclaimer and your warning. Be prepared to A, set some things on fire. B, go through massive amounts of different kinds of string. And C, just make a mess. But it was fun. So that's all that matters, and I hope you enjoy. Please comment below, email, whatever you need to do, but show me if you guys end up doing this project because it was fun. And now you have a way to use those doTERRA bottles. You can throw your oils in there when you're taking that hangover shot after New Year's. Yes, I know today is New Year's. I know a lot of people had fun last night. I'm going to put a recipe on here that's phenomenal for hangovers. Not that I need one, but just in case you do. And I'll throw some other posts or some other recipes for some doTERRA essential oil shots that you can take for allergies or cold and flu. But this is just a really fun project. I hope you enjoy.